I do recommend you to have your
It's been 3 hours since I departed to Doha, from Doha. And we've got 3 more hours to reach Barcelona. And yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm probably gonna just sleep and yeah, or watch a movie. I just watched Amy Winehouse Back to Black. It's really nice. Yeah. See you when I get to Barcelona.
Next station, Zona Universitaria. Alias Línea 3.
I will show you places to
Ella tiene un karma cantando y siempre cantando.
Inside my room. How can you even open the door? It's locked. Lasso. 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 Hey, so it's basically my second day. I arrived yesterday to Barcelona, but I considered it as a first day because this is the day that I'm gonna explore. And I'm going to a free walking tour. It's 9:44 a.m. and I need to be at the Plaza Catalunya at 10:30. It's just 13 minutes away from my accommodation, and it's really nice here. That's my bed, and I have a balcony there.
So 400 years about the 7th of the Succession War, and to turn to the artist called Foncubera. Foncubera will post an article on the news asking all of the people in Barcelona to send him one picture representing one moment of freedom. Being Taraco, which is today known as Tarragona. Of Jason and the Argonauts. Like some maybe that rings a bell if you know the golden fleece, so the Argonauts, like over there. But guys, it is not actually a real balcony. This balcony was put there just to create an illusion of deep. The city of Barcelona. So in the blue right here, you have the Mediterranean Sea. In the yellow, the big that's right before in 1840. Those might be familiar to you because
Well, after all that busy walking tour, it's like 3 p.m. and I have decided for real that I'm going to Mount Tibidabo, and it's very near Barcelona. So yeah, I'm in a place now called what is this place called? Playa something. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the bus after metro. I don't know, I just don't know how to vlog these days. I used to do that before, but I feel like I'm getting old and I am really conscious about people looking at me. Well, even this camera is so small, but I feel so conscious. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be there at the bus station and yeah, let's see how it goes. Look at this tiny place, tiny town here.
Then you go into your day on Sunday, bright sunshine out there, and it is going to be hot.